morning, student. Welcome to all in my social studies lecture. Student, in previous session we have learned about the Neolithic age and the invention of fire, and now in this session we will discuss about the Mesolithic age. So let us start our chapter with Mesolithic age. The term Mesolithic is derived from the two Greek words meso meaning middle and lithos meaning stone. It is also called the Middle Stone Age. It is the middle part of the Stone Age between the Paleolithic age and the Neolithic age. In Europe, the Mesolithic age falls between the end of the last glacial period and the beginning of agriculture. The Mesolithic periods lived by hunting, gathering and fishing, and the period is characterized by the use of microliths and the first domestication of an animal, the dog. In India, the Mesolithic sites have been found from Pachmari, Madhya Pradesh, Pavagadh, Gujarat, Bishanpur, West Bengal. Student, what do you know about the Mesolithic age? Yes, the term Mesolix is derived from the Greek word. Meso means middle and the lithos means stone. That's why this stone is called Middle Stone Age. It is the middle part of the Paleolithic and the Neolithic age. So children, during the Mesolithic age, humans began to lead a settled life. They lived by hunting, gathering and fishing. Student, what do you mean by glacial period? Yes, the meaning glacial period, it means a period in the Earth's history when polar and mountain ice sheets were extensive across the Earth's surface. Student, in the period, the first animals tamed by the human. The first animal taming was the dog. And in India, the Mesolithic sites have been found Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and West Bengal. Student, now next point, development of grasslands and domestications of animals. Due to the ever-changing climatic conditions, grasslands developed in many parts of the world. With an increase in grass, the number of grass-eating animals like deer, goat, sheep, antelopes and cattle also increased. It also led to the domestication of several animals. Students, in Mesolithic age, grasslands developed in many parts of the world. It also led to the domestication of several animals like deer, goat, sheep, antelope and cattle. So children, the human of this period began a settled life. Now next point, partial beginning of a settled life. The grass-eating animals stay in a particular grassland till all the grass over there was consumed. So early man too had to stay in that place for quite a long time. This marked the beginning of a settled form of life. It means the human of this period began a settled life. Now, microlithic tools. Stone tools of the Mesolithic age were much smaller and sharper than the Paleolithic stone tools. They were therefore called the microlithic tools. They were generally 1 to 5 centimeter long and included scalpels, boreas, sickles, arrowheads, etc. Mesolithic tools have been discovered in India from various sites of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Orissa, Kerala and Andhra Pradesh. Student, in this period, stone tools were much smaller and sharper. That's why the tools were called microlithos tools. They were generally 1 to 5 centimeter long. Children, Mesolithic tools have been found in India from the sites of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Orissa, Kerala and Andhra Pradesh. Children, now next point, shelter. The Mesolithic humans still lived in caves and rock shelters. They occasionally made simple houses in areas of longer stay. Children, the Mesolithic humans also live in caves and rocks. They made simple houses for longer stay. Now next, Neolithic age. The term Neolithic is derived from the two Greek words neo means new and lithos means stone. It is also called the New Stone Age. In the Neolithic period, farm animals were first domesticated and agriculture was introduced. It was one of the most important ages of human development when primitive man transformed from a hunter-gatherer to a producer of food and rearer of animals. With the beginning of agriculture, early humans began to lead a settled life. In India, the Neolithic sites have been found in Barjoham, Jammu Kashmir, Piklihal and Maski, Karnataka and Chiran, Bihar. Student, now Neolithic age. The time period of Neolithic age is 8000 BC till about 4000 BC. It also derived the two Greek words, new means new and the lithos means stone. That's why it is called the New Stone Age. Children, in this age, agriculture was introduced and the farm animals were domesticated. So children, it was the most important age of human development. They produce food. The Neolithic sites have been found in Jammu Kashmir, Karnataka and Bihar. Now next point, social structure. The Neolithic man is a bed to protect his crops, began to live in houses near his fields. Thus family units came into existence. Houses were built in small groups on different fertile grasslands that further developed into villages. Children, now Neolithic humans begin a settled life to protect his crop. He began to live in houses. Humans' houses were built in small groups. Then the family units came into existence. Children, Neolithic humans also domesticated animals. They realized the importance of cattle in farming. So, students, they tamed goat, sheep, horse and cattle. Next point, domestication of animals. Like the Mesolithic humans, the Neolithic humans also domesticated animals. In due course of time, humans also realized the importance of cattle in farming. Therefore, cattle, goats, sheep and horses were also tamed by him. Children, humans also domesticate animals. So, they tamed goats, sheep, horses and cattle. Now, discovery of will. One of the greatest achievements of the Neolithic humans was the discovery of the will. It is supposed that the idea of the will clicked from a stone or a log of wood rolling downwards. This new invention made the life of the Neolithic humans easier. The wheel was used for making pots and utensils, moving heavy loads from one place to another. Student, do you know that the discovery of the wheel was one of the greatest achievements of the Neolithic humans? This new invention made the life much easier. The wheel was used for making pots and utensils. It was also used for moving heavy loads here and there. So, the invention of potter's wheels helped to making different types of earthen pots, which was used for the storage of food, grains and water. Student, this is your homework. Number 1. What was the time period of Neolithic age? Question number 2. What do you mean by Mesolithic? Question number 3. Which was the greatest achievements of Neolithic age? Student, next session will be continued. Thank you and have a nice day.